Hi, in this lesson let's talk about the scaling strategy, design and execution. Those are very important topics for your business because an effective scaling strategy can position a business for sustainable growth in a long-term success. It's important because without scaling appropriately, a company may not meet its full potential or even worse, fail altogether. Let's start defining scaling. Scaling is the process of rapidly increasing a business revenue or customer base without a proportional increase in resources or costs. Scaling involves implementing strategies and systems that allow a business to handle a much larger volume of customers or sales without adding significant expenses or operational complexities. We can say that some examples of scaling strategies include automating process, leveraging technology, building networks and platforms, and outsourcing tasks. Here are some main advantages in scaling a business. Increasing revenue and profitability. So as you're going to increase your customer base, you have more clients, you can increase your revenue and profitability. Second, improve market share. As your business grow, you have a large presence in your market or even enter to new markets. Third, better resources utilization. So with the team you have right now, you have a better results, so you have a better resource utilization. Third, increase brand awareness and reputation. As you have a more customer base, you'll be more present in the market. Your brand will appear from more people and your reputation will grow as well as you become more known. And fifth, access to new talent and resources. Your company grow, you'll be able to have, if needed, more people, more talented people, and people will naturally want to work with a reputation brand, a reputed company. Let's talk about designing or scaling strategy. A technique that we can use is the designing thinking process. It's a problem-solving approach that can be used to find creative solution for a very complex challenge in your company. It involves empathizing with users, defining problems, ideating solutions, creating new ideas, prototyping, and testing. It will help you identify your internal operational needs to create more value to your clients. So applying the solution internally in your company, you'll be able to know where should you scale in each areas, in each departments I need more effectiveness. So some things to keep in mind when you're applying a design thinking process. First, keep the user in the middle of the process. Knowing your user, that can be in your tech team, for example, the developers, understand what are their needs, understand what are their interactions, and see what can impact their daily jobs, their daily activities. The same thing for marketing, for sales. For sales, what can you bring for your salesman? What kind of tools, or in the process of your sales that you're using today, what can you be improved for him? Second, be open to new ideas. So when doing this design and thinking process, ideas will come in a very different way. Very new things will come. Very different from what we are being applying and the way that we work today. So be open for those ideas. Don't be afraid of them. Third, prototype and test. So you take those new ideas, what makes sense for your business, you prototype and test and see what happened in this interaction. Once you are doing this process, it's very important for the fourth thing is to iterate. So get feedback from this process. Try to understand what is happening and understand how the solution is being used by the users. And if it's working, scale it. So executing your scaling strategy, to do it, make it happen, and to put in the process, it's very important to create a cross-functional team. So you take different people, diversified people from different departments of your organization, bring them together. That's the first thing before applying design thinking. Then you have people from a different expertise, with different expertise from different departments that you help you bring new solutions. The second thing on scaling, on executing your scaling strategy, is define your business problems and efficiency needs. The design thinking will help you with that, because in this process of creating ideas and defining problems, you're gonna see and identify what are the main problems you have internally of your company. You take them and then you apply a solution. And third is the scale-up process. Once a solution is there, it's working, it's on the process, you must scale it, automatize, bring new things, and make it your company grow faster. So some tips when executing your scaling strategy. The first thing is focus on efficiency. So automating key process to reduce costs and increase productivity. Second thing is build a strong culture. So as your team grow, it's important that everybody share the same values, have the same vision, and they are all together in the same boat. Third, embrace innovation. Always being the cut edge of technology, always follow new trends and encourage your team to bring those solutions. What's happening nowadays in AI, for example? So bring it together, bring inside the company to embrace innovation and have always new solutions and be in the top trend of what's going on in your market. Fourth, prioritize customer satisfaction. It's very important to grow with your clients, and it's much more important that they must be satisfied, they have satisfaction, and they are happy using your products and your solution. So you need to talk to them. You need to always answer them in the fast way as possible when you receive messages on Instagram or by email or by internal ways and channels to communicate with them. Always be near of them and be sure that they are satisfied with your product and your solution. Third, build a strong network. To grow faster and to scale your business, it's very important to have a network of partners, of mentors, of investors, and even users that can create this network around your company and make it grow much faster.